Today, I am not only joined by the amazing David Faulkner, but I'm actually at Property Brokers. Christy, who is behind the camera, and I have been travelling around a little bit, and we've been in Palmy today. David, how are you?
Kia ora, how are you doing? All right?
Excellent, so good. We're blessed to have worked with you now for several years.
Yes.
Several years indeed. I wondered if you wanted to tell us a little bit around what's changed in the maintenance space over the past, gosh, I don't know, 5 years?
I mean, so much has changed, hasn't it? I mean, one of the things that has become so much easier is the use of the QR codes. And that makes it so much more, you've got that one almost audit trail of maintenance, and it's such a key factor of resolving disputes. We use an after-hours service which have access to TAPI. That means our property managers can actually switch off at the weekends or after hours. So, you know, it reduces the burnout. We've got our staff retention right down,
awesome.
which is so important. And having tools such as TAPI in that PropTech space, I mean, the property managers are crying out for this type of stuff. The more they use it, the more they adapt, the more they learn, the more they see it enhances the job satisfaction. And it's also a great, it helps resolve disputes. Whether it's through tenants, through landlords, because you've got that transparency that TAPI brings.
It's so important. We were talking about it earlier, and it's like there's so many opportunities for contention or conflict or pressure. And a lot of these people are new into their career as well. It's so important to have that wraparound support. So I'm stoked that you've been able to see a lot of that coming across from TAPI, which is awesome.
Yeah.
What are you excited about when it comes to maintenance?
Well, I mean, clearly, artificial intelligence is it's here. And we've got to see it become more and more prevalent. So far, all I've seen are benefits, Anna, to be fair. I think certainly the amount of maintenance that we've got, over 8,000 properties across the Mossa, across the country. And with that, we're able to get into a predictive model of what we're going to see with maintenance spend. So the benchmark or the future I see is that we're getting into that predictive model, able to go to landlords at the end of the year, not just providing them with financial statements and showing them income against expenses, but also almost being able to go to them and saying, this is what you've got to budget in the years ahead. I think your asset management tool is a fantastic tool. There's got to be great benefits around that. Helps with potential for project management.
Yes.
Helping us work on providing more energy efficient, more environmentally friendly properties, which are safer, warmer, drier. There's benefits to the landlord because the property's got to cost less to maintain. They've got to be worth more. Benefits to the tenants are obvious. That we're not going to see as many disputes. The tenant's got to be healthier. And it fits in with our business values. We're here for our community. We want to see them thrive. And that's why we partner with TAPI. They really help us achieve our business values and our business goals.
Awesome. We'll absolutely watch this space. There's some amazing stuff that you guys are doing, particularly with the energy efficiency. I'm not seeing other agencies do it quite like you are, which is awesome. So, well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.